Hi everyone, welcome to Airdrop Insider, your trusted source for the latest crypto opportunities. I'm Adam, and today I'm going to guide you through the exciting world of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, the future of crypto trading. In this video, we'll cover what DEXs are, how they work, the top platforms to use, and a step-by-step guide to trading on them. Plus, I'll share some essential tips to keep your assets safe. As always, if you have any questions or need guidance, you can reach out to me directly on Telegram. I'm here to help with advice, updates, and support for all things crypto. The link is in the description below, so don't hesitate to connect. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, let you trade crypto directly from your wallet without a central authority. Unlike centralized exchanges, there's no account creation or KYC needed. The benefits: enhanced security, full control, and privacy. DEX operate using automated market makers, AMMs, and liquidity pools. AMMs set token prices based on supply and demand, while liquidity pools let users deposit tokens to provide liquidity and earn fees. This system enables seamless token swaps. Let's explore the top DEX in 2025. Uniswap, great for Ethereum-based DeFi and ERC20 tokens. PancakeSwap, ideal for Binance Smart Chain with lower fees and faster transactions. dYdX, for advanced traders offering margin and perpetual options. Ready to trade? Here's how. Connect your wallet. Use wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Select tokens to swap. Choose the tokens to trade. Check slippage and fees. Set slippage tolerance and review network fees. While DEX offer control, be cautious of risks like impermanent loss for liquidity providers and smart contract vulnerabilities. Use trusted platforms and invest wisely. To recap, DEX provide unmatched control and privacy. Start with platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Follow the steps to connect your wallet and always trade responsibly. If you're still unsure or have questions, you can always contact me on Telegram. The link is in the description below. Let's connect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest crypto insights.